Hello, hello, hello. Thanks for watching. So the question is, can Kaspa get any higher than it is at the moment? Look at this amazing chart that we can all see is doing very well. I think the answer is yes, and let's look why. So this chart is not Kaspa, although it looks very similar. This is actually Enjin Coin back in January 2021. Which was around about, on this peak it went to 24 cents, so a little bit further along than we are. We'll just look at what possibilities lie ahead. I should note, not financial advice, but this is a massive pinch of salt, not financial advice. And for the record, I was in, this is terrible actually, it's going down first. I was in Enjin Coin around 13 cents way back when. So let's hope this doesn't happen. But it will be blasting up soon. It's got 10x for a bit of craziness. So you have to start scaling out, because here is the 12 cents, this line I'm on now. And just when you think it can't go any further, and you're at all-time highs, and you've never been this high before, should have done a dry run of this, shouldn't I? It's taking forever. Look at that, I tell you what, let's stop it, it'll take forever. Let's get out of replay. And let's just look back. So look at this. This is where potentially this is kind of like price rises to where we are, but it could be like maybe here, see? So we don't have to deal with this. So let's say we're here for, and everyone's like, oh god, it can't go any higher. And just look how much further it goes. To $3.50. I remember seeing it at $3.50. You can't kind of, I don't think you can get your brain around it, this kind of growth. Just think down to 12 cents. Let's do it the other way around so it works out. I'm sure it's like 3,500% or something. 12 cents, $3.50, 2,800%. So 280 times more than where it is now. If you had $1,000, $280,000. It's unbelievable. How are you ever going to let it get that high without cashing out and not going, oh, it's amazing, we're at all-time highs here, we're at all-time highs, oh my god, I've made so much money, oh my god, I've made so much money. Oh, there's no way. I mean, how are you even going to hold in and hodl that long? I don't know. I just want to show, I've made a very scientific graph here. Kaspa is the green line. This is Kaspa's growth so far. This is around 11 cents. Tried to match it up with this, but it didn't quite work. I mean, you could, if you really wanted to like make it fit, you could do something. I mean, it's not far off. Let's see if we can get the right layer. Brilliant. Come on. Alright, there we go. I mean, it's not a million miles away. You could say it's something like that, but the price would be different, because that's 11 cents for us now, and that's 11 cents for Enjin Coin. So, but it's followed somewhat of a similar path, and then away it goes. So, not exactly what you call a scientific video today. Absolute nonsense with a massive heap of a heap of salt. But it just blows my mind how it could get to $3.50. And let's actually look at the Kaspa chart on the daily. Ziggity zaggity rainbow. It's just absolutely bonkers. 13 cents. And let's put it on the, try and give it some idea. Like the first place I'd be looking is it like 70 cents. Let's have a look at the, I'm just looking at this live now, so who knows what's going to happen. But I mean, like someone put in the comments the other day, like you can't use TA on Kaspa. I mean, I've used it this far and it's worked alright, but to a certain extent, I mean, when you're getting growth like this, vertical growth, there's nothing you can really, you can't do much charting after that. And once you broke through this, you're in price discovery. Like the best we can hope to have some kind of idea would be up to 70 cents, but then after that, it just, this massive growth just becomes like a little flat line in the end. Even though it's like growing and growing and growing, and it looks like, oh, it's going up and up and up and up and up and up and up, and this will start going up and up and up. But when you start scaling out to the prices it's going to get to, let's get rid of all the drawings. I mean, this looks huge now, but what? But let's just look. It's just flat line now. You're talking about it's starting to put its proper patterns in. I mean, it might be some big pullback, and then, but look at the state of where we are now. It's nothing. It's just like a flat line. Anyway, rather pointless video today, but other than, if you think something can't go any higher than what it is, I mean, I'm not suggesting just hold on forever, but take profits if you want, like. But I think I've learnt my lesson. I'm going to ride this pony up to $3 would be my ideal. That would be absolutely life-changing. Wouldn't have to work. We retire, buy some commercial land, put some units on it, rent it all out. I'd never work again. Well, I wouldn't because I enjoy it, but I never have to. Anyway, so there it is. Complete Moon Boy video today. Very short. 8 minutes, so not so bad. Thanks for watching. Do me a favour, please subscribe, and if you stick your name in the comments and say I've subscribed, I'll give you a shout out on the next video. Thanks for watching. I know it's a bit of a ridiculous one today, but I don't care. So we'll keep monitoring it. I'll try and do TA while I can. Might start looking at some other coins, but generally speaking, see you at $3, maybe $3.50. See you later.